In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a diet log. To create a diet log, you will first need to create a client or choose an existing client. Select the plus icon. Select Start from Scratch, or if your client is set up on Libro, you can import the log from their smartphone. For more information on this, please see our Libro video. Name your log and select the number of days you wish to analyse. You can select if you wish to categorise your log by meals or days by clicking here. The Notes field at the top of the page allows you to add private notes which your client cannot see on the final reports. The Recommendations box at the bottom of the page allows you to add notes that will be visible on the final report. Search for foods and recipes in the search bar in the top left corner of the screen. Nutritics has a range of recipes built in which you can identify from this logo beside the food. Some of the recipes are meal builders, offering a range of customizations for the food. For example, if a client had a pizza for dinner, you could either add a pizza directly from the database, or you could choose the pizza builder to create your own custom pizza. Click on a food to view a quick breakdown including macronutrients and calories per 100 grams. You can filter by selecting a category here, and also see which database the food is sourced from here. You can select the I button for a full breakdown of the food. Click Insert to log the food. Once the food has been added to the log, click on any day and use the Smart Portions to log the quantity. Alternatively, you can manually enter the amount in any unit. Repeat this process for all foods entered into the log. You can drag and drop foods into any meal like this. The sorting tool allows you to sort by any column in the log, either alphabetically or by day. Once you have created the log, the next step is to customize the report. Check out our tutorial on how to do this. If you need further assistance, check out the user manual or email us at support@nutritics.com.